Good morning, everyone. My name is Cintya Felix. I'm a 12th grader from Laura High School, and today I'm here to tell you about my story. Laura and Anaheim received me with open arms about 3 years ago. I lived most of my life outside the country, and I spoke little to no English. Thankfully, I came across such a strong and loving community where I feel welcomed and valued, and I'm given so many opportunities that allowed me to explore more about a diverse range of career pathways, broaden my perspective, and awaken my interest in the STEM field, which seemed to be daunting until I learned about AIM in the middle of the global crisis. When I learned about Anaheim's innovative mentorship experience and its mentoring program with Anaheim Public Utilities, I immediately signed up for it and was mind blown by everything I learned. From professional presence to hearing from world-class guest speakers. I met people with lots of experience and different backgrounds, but a common goal: to work together and utilize their abilities to make a difference in our environment, not only at the local level, but at the bigger picture. And how does this correlate with my story, you may be wondering? Well, I must tell you that throughout my life, I've been overwhelmed with terms like global warming and climate change. But these concepts never resonated with me until I expanded my knowledge and learned about our energy supplies, our groundwater treatment program, and the increasing demand. I came to realize that our world has an expiration date, which created a sense of urgency in me. But knowing that humanity is at an all-time high with technology innovation and methods to preserve our environment relieves me. Having a booming population for the last century, having internationally recognized attractions like Disneyland and the Angels Stadium, and other challenges have been pressuring Anaheim's infrastructure for decades. Yet, our city has managed to thrive thanks to innovative thinking from our engineers, urban planners, service providers, and so many other individuals who contribute to our flourishing Anaheim. This not only gives me hope, but truly motivates me to be part of the change and aspire to be a civil and environmental engineer. And I must acknowledge that seeing change here in my very own community makes me even more intrigued and curious. The groundwater treatment program makes me proud of being an Anaheim resident because it demonstrates that one of our most, if not the most important natural resources is handled carefully and efficiently. If my city cares enough about what I consume, my well-being, and my quality of life, it makes me want to continue to live here and contribute to a community that's constantly striving to be more environmentally conscious, and is a model for places not only around the US, but also the world. I want to give a special thank you to the Anaheim Union High School District and the Anaheim Public Utilities for partnering up and providing students like me with the opportunity to explore things that I, as a first-generation low-income student, wouldn't have otherwise learned about. And I can assure you that this is an investment that will pay off because my generation and generations to come will step on the shoulders of giants and will continue to work to make our city extraordinary. Thank you.